Today is Seven's first day of school. You're excited, my daughter love?
Yeah.
There's Lola at the back. Oh, gonna pass by. Oh, oh there's Lola. Oh. Bye-bye, Lola.
Lola.
We're gonna check out.
No.
Yes. Oh, there's maybe that's your classmate. Sige, go inside. Let's go inside. It's your school. Junior kinder po.
What's your name, baby? 7. This. You go to class next. Let's go. To teacher Paula. Yung ganit